category. That was 2. Number 3 was odd shapes in space. This one was an interesting category. So if something that we detect is incredibly thin, like a solar sail, say, or even something that was shaped like a cylinder, then this would be a huge clue. Unfortunately, though, I don't think at these distances that we're talking about, we might not, even if it was a solar sail or a cylinder, we might not get close enough to have that one image that clearly shows that. But there are other clues or hints that we could get. If we saw something like unusual brightness changes or unusual rotation patterns or even light curves, weird light curves, any of those could indicate that we may have an object out there that has an artificial shape that is causing those anomalies. So that's number 3. Number 4, the final one, is transmissions or emissions. To detect from an ISO in our solar system. I mean, we're talking about detecting potentially just EM radiation. Like, for example, the classic one is the